Hello. Today, I'd like to introduce you to the top 5 most popular products based on sales and customer reviews. For detailed information about the products featured in this video, please check the description box and the pinned comments. The product ranked 5 has been rising in popularity recently, thanks to its high sales and excellent reviews. Next product offers great value for money, with numerous sales and positive reviews that attest to its quality. The product ranked 3 is a customer favorite, boasting high sales and top-rated reviews. The product ranked 2 is a long-time bestseller, consistently popular and highly rated by customers. The product rank 1 is the market's best-selling item, with the highest customer reviews. So, these are today's top products. If you're interested in any of them, be sure to check out the description box and pinned comments for more information. If you found this helpful for your purchase, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.